What's up guys, Devin Venture Hobby Passion back today doing another video. We're going to be working on the Tacoma 80. We're going to be doing finally we're going to be relocating the windshield wiper fluid. We got Cinder going to help us out. Come say hi. She's just like sniffing everything. Locating the windshield wiper fluid in the engine compartment instead of in the fender right here. As you can see, I already deleted it and I've already moved the wiring up into here when I was doing the bumper and grill. So then you don't see it down here when I did the lights. So, yeah. So let's get to taking the airbox out. Once I take the airbox out, then I'll be able to put that in there. All right, so we got that installed. I just found a random bolt in my bolt bin and bolted in. I had the nut on the other side, so I have to mount this bracket on first. I just bent over the extra because I didn't want to cut it off. Because then I cut it off and then it's going to rust right here. So I was like, yeah, I'll just bend it. And you still can get this cap on right there. It's pretty challenging, but it is possible with that really small gap. Now, we've already modified this so we can, because we did drill a hole at the bottom of it. I'll link in the description a really good video on how to do it. It says it for a 3rd gen 4Runner, but it's the exact same. Oh, and then also I did put the rubber gasket that comes in this thing in it. Super easy gonna be to fill it up. 1.5 quarts is all I got instead of like 1.5 gallons with the original, so saving a little bit of weight, but I'll be able to have my windshield wiper fluid again, the sprayers. Also, I haven't ordered them yet. I'm gonna order them. The Honda Odyssey ones, they clip into right here, but they'll fan it. They'll use a lot less fluid and they'll spray more evenly on the windshield to clean it up. So with the smaller reservoir, that should be much nicer. I'm gonna have to get that done. So let's real quick fill this up. Hopefully it doesn't leak. All right, I filmed that other part of the video about 2 years ago, and then I really went inactive from YouTube and just trying to focus on life. But this windshield wiper fluid has been working great. This amount kind of sucks because it is very little. But we got a mod today to hopefully help with that. I got the Honda Odyssey sprayers, so it should be a lot more efficient on spraying less fluid on the windshield to clean it, plus getting a more widespread beam to get it to spray good. I'm not going to show you the before spray. It's just 4 beams, and everybody that has a Tacoma / 4Runner already knows that. So let's go ahead and get these installed into the hood, and then I'll show you the after. All right, so here's the one that came on the truck. Obviously you could see only 2 holes. And then here's the new one, and it's just got like a fan sprayer thing, and this is just gonna press right into the OEM location, and then just hook up to the OEM hose and spray great. It's really nice. All right, now that those are installed, let's get these checked out. Yep, it sprays. I might aim them a little different, but that's the glory of these things, is they can get aimed. So I'll leave the link in the description for them. But yeah, you can't tell, but it sprays all the way on the top with a mist. This is, once I aim them exactly where they're going to go, it's gonna be fantastic. All right, a tip I would recommend when you install these, or take the old ones out, is take your pliers and push this one on the back side closer to the cab of the truck. Get it to pop out of the hood like this, and then go to the front one and press that one in, and then you can get the whole thing out. More than likely what you're gonna have to do to get it, once you get it both of them popped up out of the hood, so you might have to turn it to the side and squiggle it out. It's a really tight fit between both of those, but huge upgrade. Cannot wait to have an actual dirty windshield. Need to wash them because these work really good. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.